Today we will demonstrate the replacement of the SUP-21T focusing lens. Open the dust cover. Pull out a focusing lens drawer. Cover the dust cover to prevent ash. Rotate to prevent the compression ring. Replace the focusing lens. Pay attention to the convex side of the lens downward when installing. Please note, how do focusing lenses distinguish convex surfaces? It's on the side of the lens. You can see a distinct V-shaped logo. The orientation of the V opening indicates a convex surface. After replacement, put back the compression ring. Put the focusing lens drawer back into the lens compartment. Put on the dust cover. The focusing lens is replaced. Important note: all optical lenses of laser equipment all must be replaced in a dust-free environment. When replaced, operators must wear cleaning gloves and operate in a super clean workbench. Ensure a clean environment. For the use of laser equipment, it is very important